Well, it's part two of building my community world. The day after, exactly. Um, today I'm going to build something you should actually never do in real life. Ugh, I don't know why though. Gamble. Oh, oh. But hey, everyone loves a gambling machine, including me. Hey, what? Watch this! Lying, lying, lying. I fell. Your niece had guardrails right there. Ooh, I'm allergic to dogs. I have five. I'm sorry, three. Sorry. Sorry if I sound like this. I haven't taken my allergy pills yet. Watch this. Am I freaking stuck? I'm not anymore. I don't give a frick about that stuck. Going down here. Hello? Watch this. Okay. I hear myself. You don't get it. I have my phone on my bed right now. Today I'm actually like, yeah, 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 yeah. Let me the frick down, buddy. I don't have captures right now. Oh, oh, that's what my description says. I'm a little nerd when it's drawing. And art class, actually. Sorry, I like joking about gaming. I don't know. See, honestly, earlier today, I felt like I was getting slashed. Like, whip. And, like, a very hard whip. It's like, I thought my skin was tearing off. Like, this is my torso. Get the freak over here. Like, this was my torso right here. And my skin was doing just this. Like, Jesus. Um, I think I have a good connection with Jesus Christ himself. I read sins I've done and other stuff. So, remember that that the Lord felt your pain and you could feel his pain. We go straight to saying we. What's this? These are actually like better doors because they have less room for people to get out. But to save themselves in like their pit of death. You know what? I got so bad at it to do that. I didn't even take it apart. What the frick? You can grab it when it's invisible? What the frick? gonna make nothing breakable. Or would I? No, I'm not. Shut the freak up. So any thing you have to say to those. Before I got banned in yeeps for no reason, to be honest. Zero reason. There was zero reason why I was banned. Even though there's supposed to be a reason. But the reason was quote unquote audio assault. And, as you know, sometimes there's racists in the world. And people who are racist, they're bad people. So, I was surprised that I got banned. The first actual report I got of it was in my private world with no one else except for me. That's strange. Why did that happen? I don't know. Audio assault. Why? Audio assault. The only thing I was saying was talking about my private. Sorry. Whenever you like your knees do like a and a acute angle, like 60-degree acute angle, and you go back to a straight angle. That's what I'm doing. Whereas VR, it is underage. Come on! I'm trying not to lose my life savings. Yes! Oh, wait, I can't deposit this at the bank. Now I could paint this. I should give you something, but I don't know why. Watch this. You actually look, give you money. Just give it a second. Well, but put money in your bank account. In my bank account. In my bank account. Have you seen that UML? That was first try. You saw that. You recorded that. It's first try. Okay. It's in my bank account. In my bank account. Have you seen that UML? Good. Crazy. Ah! Hello? Well, that's the end. That's the end. So that's the end. 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 Look dead in my eye. That's the end. Dang!